Before we start the sketch, I want to show you the beautiful reference that I have here. I'm gonna snap a picture and add it to the video so you can sketch along. But I want to observe the conical shape, colors, and the flow of the petals. Now I'm ready to sketch. I'll start by drawing a circle, and this is going to help with the proportions of the flower and as a guide to place the petals and find the center. I'm going to find the center of the flower by drawing the bottom petal of the lily, the anthers, and the stigma. Notice the basic shapes like triangles and ovals. For example, this petal is a triangle with slightly rounded edges, so that is what I am sketching. Now that I have the reference point with the center of the flower, I'm going to draw the next petals. This is just me finding the right perspective of the petals and sketching the rest of the flower. So I'm going to speed up the process. And if you need more time to sketch, feel free to pause the video. You can see here that I'm getting caught in some of the details, but at this stage you don't have to worry too much about them. And just focusing the overall form of the flower and the flow of the petals. Now that I am erasing, I remember that if you are really bothered by the pencil marks in your paintings, I suggest you draw with a really light hand so you can erase those marks later. Now that I am finishing the sketch, I'm going to erase the circle and some extra lines that I don't want. Now that I have my sketch, I am going to show you next how to place the first swatch and some details to the painting.